Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of This Old Mustang. As you know, if you watched our last episode, we had the 410 gears installed. I have to be honest with you, the jury is still out. The car's faster everywhere except first gear. You cannot hook, you cannot get traction. You're in and out of first gear in about 2 seconds. It's troubling. I almost think maybe I should have just went 373 or kept the 355 and just put a blower on it when the time came. But they're in and we got to make them work. Now, there's the old Mustang back there. She's holding up, she's looking okay. What Anthony and I are going to do is go up to the top of the road and we'll do 2 little runs. I'm not even going to say I'm going to floor it. I may just give it half, 3/4 throttle because we've got a lot of torque multiplication going on back here. Okay? These are, come on back here. These are our Extensa HPs, and they're getting low. They're down. This one's down to about 20% tread life. And this baby here, that's down to about 5% tread life. So the Extensas are almost gone, almost dead. We'll do these 2 test runs, okay? And then we're going over to Mr. Tire on Blackwood Clementon Road, and we're putting on Mickey Thompson street comps. I did my research. I asked Todd Casper, I asked my buddy Paul Thomas, who's a longtime drag racer. I read all kinds of forums, and street comp, Mickey Thompson street comps, that's the tire. Everyone says that's the tire. So we're gonna find out. In the meantime, let's go burn these things to smithereens, all right? All right. You're good, Mark. We didn't have a whole lot of luck on our bald Extensa HPs, so this is what we're going to put on. Did a lot of research, watched a lot of YouTube videos, talked to a lot of guys that know what they're talking about, and everybody said Mickey Thompson street comps. That's a big tire. Allegedly this grips. Got these areas in here with no tread. This is supposed to be the traction, the drag street radial, I guess you can call it. There they are. Those babies aren't cheap either. And no matter where I look, our vendor through Mr. Tire or Amazon or American Muscle, the price was exactly the same. $222 a tire. That is a lot of rubber. So hopefully, this will make the difference, and we'll be able to, and next week we'll get line locks installed at Casper's, and I'm going to throw a short throw shifter out and do the whole thing at once. And then we should be able to heat the back tires and just blast off the line. I don't know if the yellow jacket will be finished by then. It got into a little bit of an accident. And can you post some of the pictures? I mean, like right now, of Rich's crashed EcoBoost. They look pretty bad, don't they? Okay, so as soon as our compatriots over here have completed what they're doing, we'll put these suckers on the back. I don't know what else to do. I mean, they don't get much bigger or much meatier than that. But we'll see what happens with these, okay? Hey, and not for nothing, but these Extensa HPs, if you could zoom in real close to this tread pattern, and we got like maybe 15% tread left on these. And we've had them since, when did I get these? Over a year ago. It's amazing they lasted that long. Because even though this thing allegedly stock, and it's better than that now, only has 320 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPMs, it still creates bald rear tires. This one's even worse. Come on over here. Or maybe it's not. But as you can see, this is nothing like those tires. Those tires they're the full tilt boogie. Got to get the line locks, short throw shifter, and then Rich with the yellow jacket has been harassing me. I get the first race. Well, that's going to happen March 6th on a Sunday morning early at ACO Test and Tune. I'm not doing any more road racing. We're going to do the quarter mile because I figure even if he gets a half a car length on me, this big 8-cylinder is going to run that thing down like a unwanted redheaded stepchild. You can put that in there. Old Mustang back here at Mr. Tire. Over here, this guy here, this is Logan Ziegler. Logan the Mutant Ziegler. And this is Marco. Marco, just so everyone knows, you're an ACE certified General Motors Master Tech? Is that right? That's correct. I got some good help right here. All right, we're just gonna throw Mickey Thompson's on this, but it's good to know we got guys like this around because they're terrific. All right, let's rock and roll. We're gonna just. Seven, and a 9, 8, 7, 8, 6. Got it. That was fast and second time. Got it. Got it. Hold it right off. Almost there. What you want to do? Press down? What? Got it. Bingo. Okay, okay. You don't think we got up pretty quick?
We would probably reach 120 miles an hour like 4 seconds later if we had the 353s.
That was quicker than the 355.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. 355, yeah.
That was just like bang, 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 and you're in fucking warp drive. Hey everybody, this is Old Mustang signing off. As you saw, we tried to do a run or two. I don't know how many are going to make it on the film with the Extenza HPs, which had about maybe 15% tread life left in them. They were getting down to the wear bar. And then we put these on. We still got plastic on. These are Mickey Thompson street comps. I did all my research. That's the tire we were supposed to have. And lo and behold, they squeal a little bit, but not much. They start to dig in and grab, and I actually have a first gear now that I can run through really fast, but the first gear's there, and then you bang in the second, and you'll just have to be the judge of how the acceleration takeoff looks watching the film. The real test is going to come on March 6th if we make it to ACO Sunday morning, 10 a.m., and I'm going to try to get everybody that's been on Old Mustang to come down. That means you, Ron, with the Hellcat and the Z06. That means T with your Cyclone 6. Even Mustang Randy, if you're out there. Of course, Drew, I call him Andrew. Sonny calls him Drew. Drew with the 2017 Torch Red Coyote. He's got a nitrous in the tank. That's a badass car. Who am I forgetting? There's a lot of guys that came out over the last 18 months. Oh, the Purple Nurple's got to come out and run the quarter mile at ATCO. Purple Nurple. Golly, who else have we had out? Oh, of course, the Yellow Jacket. The Yellow Jacket must run the quarter mile. No ifs, ands, or about it. That's where we're going to start taking the channel. It's the beginning of the season in March. It's Sunday, 10 o'clock in the morning. It's Test and Tune. That's where we're going. So all you guys that are watching this, get in touch with me. I'll get in touch with you. I want to bring the whole cabal, the fight club, or in this case, the race club, if you will, down to ATCO. We'll do it legally, and we'll run an entire quarter mile, and we'll see who's got it, who doesn't. Until then, love you all. Old Mustang, signing off. So long.